Everyone, welcome to Wellness Corner by Satish. Today we're going to do a 10-minute full body workout that's perfect for beginners. This workout is designed to help you tone your entire body, burn some calories, and increase your overall fitness level. So, let's get started. Before we begin, we need to make sure we're warmed up properly. We'll start with some simple movements to get the blood flowing and prepare our bodies for the workout. Begin with shoulder rolls. Raise your shoulders up and back, then down and forward in a circular motion. Next, let's do some neck stretches. Tilt your head to the right, hold for a few seconds, and then repeat on the left. Finish the warm-up with some arm circles. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles forward, then backwards. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the workout. We'll do each exercise for 30 seconds, with a 15-second break in between. Exercise 1. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Lower your body as if sitting on an imaginary chair. Keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your toes. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Start in a plank position, with your arms shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position. Exercise 3. Lunges. Take a big step forward with one leg. Bend both knees until your back knee almost touches the ground. Return to the starting position and alternate legs. Exercise 4. Sit-ups. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and place your feet on the ground. Lift your upper body towards your knees, then slowly lower back down. Exercise 5. Plank. Start in a push-up position, but instead of bending your elbows, hold your body straight with your forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line and hold for 30 seconds. That was a great full body workout for beginners. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate this workout into your routine. This will make you fit and keep you healthy. Thanks for watching and don't miss to subscribe for more videos.